Alan, I recently visited the Mazak booth at EMO 2019. You've got your event just around the corner here. What technology is coming across?
Yeah, EMO was a fantastic showcase for us in Hannover, and it's the traditional area we launch a range of new technologies, and the EMO Encore is the ability for us in the UK to bring those technologies back here to Worcester. The key to come and see are the CV5 500, the latest UK designed, UK manufactured 5-axis machining centre, the new Integrax IH series, integrated with a range of automation solutions, and the latest generation of the smooth control, the smooth AI. So 3 key areas there to come and see at the Worcester facility.
Your events are well known for milling, turning, hybrid, done in one type technology, but we can't forget the laser as well.
Absolutely not. Laser is a huge part of our focus here in Worcester for the UK marketplace. We've been hugely successful across the globe in selling our laser products, both 2D and 3D. And this event here will also incorporate our laser technology and the partners we work with, people like iSMART, Radan, IPG and Jean Perot, all will be here on display to demonstrate our collective ability to process sheet metal and 3D forms.
It's a difficult one, but do you have any highlights? What's your favourite, what you're most looking forward to?
I think obviously with the UK factory being here, the CV5 500 is a real highlight for us. It's the first UK design machine since the groundbreaking VTC 800 series was designed here, and we really think it's going to be a huge success for those companies that want to break into 5-axis machining, full simultaneous, and those which are already using our products. So it's a real highlight which we think will be hugely successful for our plant here in the UK.
The event, it's always well attended, but equally engineers' time is expensive, so why should they attend?
We fully understand obviously the needs of people to be back at their desk in their offices helping the UK economy, but to come here to Worcester, and it's not just European Technology Centre, it's here in our factory that we'll be demonstrating the iSMART technology. Our PEC, Project Engineering Centre, will have a range of exhibits, so there's going to be something for everybody, both from productivity enhancements, automation, office management and factory management software. So we think it's really something that every production engineer should be putting in their diary to come here to Worcester on the 3rd to the 5th of December.
And Mazak, of course, you're a commercial organisation, but there's a lot of education, isn't there, at the show? It's not just about selling product.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, education's key for us at all levels, right from sixth formers right through to fully fledged production engineers. So what we're aiming to do here is to educate on the latest technologies which can enhance manufacturing in the UK and beyond to improve our productivity as a nation as we move into the future.
And just finally, what are the dates?
The dates are the 3rd to the 5th of December here at Worcester in our European Technology Centre and European Manufacturing Centre.